Exercise number 1, groin crunch. Lie back, bring your knees outward, and crunch up while engaging your abs. Focus on controlled movement, feel the deep lower core and inner thigh burn. Exercise number 2, bicycle crunch. Twist your torso side to side, bringing opposite elbow to knee. Keep your core tight and move with control, it's all about that oblique squeeze. Exercise number 3, push up to side plank. Perform one push-up, then rotate your body to a side plank, raising your arm high. This works your chest, arms, and obliques together, stay balanced and strong. Exercise number 4, leg raises. Keep your legs straight, lift them up slowly, and lower them under control. Don't let them touch the floor, engage your abs the whole time. Exercise number 5, Russian twist. Sit slightly back, lift your feet, and twist side to side with power. Keep your core tight and twist through your waist, feel that burn through your entire midsection.